there, my name's Megan and I am a pediatric speech-language pathologist, and today we are going to be unboxing the Gigglescape ice cream shop playset from Target. Let's dive in. Alright, so I'm going to show you what's inside, give you an honest review, and share how I would use this toy to build communication skills, whether you're at home or in a speech therapy setting. So open it up and take a closer look. Oh, it's so cute. Alright, so here's our first piece. So this includes 29 pieces. They're mostly wood and plastic. It's a nice combination, but for this price point, I'm happy. Alright, we have our 2 ice cream cups. Look at our little menu. Alright, we're almost through. Alright, so this one's really stuck in here, but I think this is where all of our goodies are. Oh, alright. I'm just gonna pull them all out. Alright, we got all of our ice cream flavors and our toppings. Wow, I'm really impressed so far. The scoops, they're also colorful and cute. We have all of the different toppings, so you can really get creative here about how you mix and match and incorporate this in your play. So this says it's about 3 years and older, and that feels about right. Some of the pieces are a little small, so if you want to use this with a younger student or your child, just make sure you're keeping a closer eye on them. So for this price point, about $20, it's great. The wood is smooth, there's no real rough edges, the plastic feels pretty sturdy. Some cons. When we use our scooper, we're supposed to be going into this super cute display stand to get out our scoops, but I don't know if you can see here, it's quite narrow. So that might be a little tricky for younger kids who are still working on that fine motor skills and coordination. They might need a little assistance. Overall though, it is great for pretend play, and I really like the open-ended possibilities that we're working with here. You can model core vocabulary such as put on, I want, more, eat, labeling our colors, all done. Let's pretend we're working at our ice cream shop. Hi, how are you? What do you want today? Vanilla or mint chocolate chip? Do you want 1 scoop or 2? Yum. This is going to give our kids a chance to use their language functionally, making comments, making requests, even protesting. No, I don't want chocolate. Yes, I want vanilla. And if your child is using an AAC device for communication, we can absolutely model core words all throughout this.
Do you want vanilla?
You can pause and wait when you're giving your choices to your kids. So when you're offering them, do you want mint or vanilla? Give them that pause and that grace time to really focus on what they want. If they're not communicating verbally yet, that's okay. If they're reaching or gesturing or even looking in the direction of the item they want, we're going to reinforce that. Oh, I see you're looking at vanilla. Here's your vanilla ice cream. Bonus points, we can easily adapt this for a group setting. There's multiple flavors, multiple cones, spoons, bowls, you name it. So we can have a whole ice cream shop parlor going on in the classroom or with siblings. So would I recommend this toy? Yeah, I would. Especially if you're working on language goals, this is definitely a versatile and affordable option to add to your toolkit. It's not perfect, but all of the open-ended possibilities, it just really makes this a good thing to just put in your car, in your therapy bag, or keep in your toy box. Plus, I think it's pretty cool.